Radio Park Weekly or the Blues Brothers. Radio Park's Adventure series kicks off next Thursday and Friday with the screening of the classic 1980 comedy and live performances of songs from the film by Brian Charles Johnson and F. Michael Haney as Jake and Elwood Blues. Visit radiopark.com for ticket information. Frank Dillon, New York 1.
The Yankees begin a three-game series at home tonight against the first-place White Sox. The Yanks are now 25-19 after taking 3 of 4 in Texas, including the last 2 by shutout. Chicago has the best record in the American League. This will also be the first game in the Bronx with new seating guidelines, including vaccinated and unvaccinated sections. The Mets, meanwhile, begin a three-game series in Miami without Pete Alonso. He's been placed on the 10-day injured list with a right-hand sprain. New York is coming off a tough loss Wednesday in Atlanta, but the Amazons are still in first place with a record of 20-17. And the Liberty visit Washington. New York is 3-0, which is already one more win than they had all last year. On Tuesday, Sabrina Ionescu became the first player in Liberty history and the youngest in WNBA history to record a triple-double. The Mystics are 0-2. All of Friday's games get underway just after 7. Continues its primary debate series this week with a face-off in the race for Staten Island Borough President. Which moderates the debate between 3 leading candidates in the Republican primary. Former Congressman Vito Casella, activist Leticia Romero, and City Councilman Steve Fatio. Higher debate right here at 7 p.m. or watch it on the Spectrum News app. It also runs again tonight at 11.
Brought to you by Durham College's New York School of Career and Applied Studies. Now stands all the advantages of a large university with the personal attention you deserve. Apply today.